Ever wondered what the world looks like through the eyes of a crocodile? Today, we mount a lightweight camera directly onto the armored back of this ancient predator. No drone, no distance, just pure wildlife immersion. Fire-colored skies reflect across calm water as we drift forward. The camera dips beneath the surface, a split view of blazing horizon above and murky green below. Light shafts pierce the water as we glide silently, unseen. Only her eyes break the surface now, perfectly camouflaged against the fading light. In the reeds, a nest waits. Eggs tremble. Hatchlings emerge. The feared hunter lowers her massive head with surprising care as the tiny young gather close. Night falls. The river changes. Under moonlight, she becomes a shadow beneath the surface. A duck drifts unaware. Stillness. Then a sudden surge. Water erupts. Silence returns. At dawn, zebras approach to drink. Beneath them, she waits, motionless, calculating. A burst of power. The surface shatters. The struggle vanishes beneath churning water. But the river belongs to more than one giant. From the reeds, an anaconda coils into view, a violent clash beneath muddy waves, surging water, then release. The snake slips away. Territory reclaimed. Evening returns. A lone deer steps cautiously to the edge. She holds still, then lightning-fast motion. The river answers with foam and fury before settling once more. As the sun sinks again, she climbs onto the sandy bank, joining other crocodiles in heavy silence. The river slows, the wild exhales, and through her eyes, we've witnessed the relentless rhythm of life. If this made you see the world a little differently, subscribe, because this is just one point of view.